Hey guys, so it's your boy Jack Drips here today, and I've got an e-liquid review for you guys. It's just a couple of e-liquids from Space Jam. Oh, not sure if you've heard about them before, but yeah, Space Jam e-liquid, just because I'm loving it right now and I'm really enthusiastic about this juice because it is brilliant. So I just thought I'd make a quick video today for you on Space Jam e-liquid. Let me try and find where I purchased this from. Actually, I didn't purchase this e-liquid. I received this from my good friend Ben, who is on Instagram, Gentleman of the Vapes on Instagram. I'll put a link here, and he just straight up hooked me up with 30ml of e-liquid, and I was like, thank you, man, that's amazing. So huge props to him. But basically, he purchased this e-liquid from, I do believe, spiritusvapes.com, which is a site that sells US made e-liquid, if I just find it here, for us UK guys. So I mean, that's really cool. They got Suicide Bunny, Grizzly, Space Jam, Nico Ticket, Bommies, Epic Juice. I mean, they've got loads of really great US e-liquid manufacturers and some hardware too. So if I just go down to the Space Jam here on the site, I should have had this prepared earlier. But yeah, for 15ml, it is £8, and here are the bottles, which I think are seriously nice glass dropper bottles on these, 15ml with the cool ass labeling, and there's that one. So you know what we're going to be doing today is Andromeda and Starship 1, and I'm going to start with Starship 1 right now, which is described as a savoury mix of vanilla custard with a tropical kiwi on the exhale, very similar to a creme brulee, it says. So we're going to put that to the test right now and see if they are accurate. But first, as always, I've got a 0.40 build. It is twisted 28 gauge dual coil, 6 wraps or 7 wraps, something like that, 4.4 on the IPV, which is reading out, you can't see that, 4 volts going through a 0.4 ohm coil. So this is Starship 1, the custard and kiwi. I'm going to tell you guys, I've been absolutely loving Space Jam's e-liquid at the moment. I mean, the flavours are just like, you know, really nice level of flavour. It's not like too much where it's going to overpower you so you can't have it throughout the day, but it's not so weak it's going to, you know, fall off on you and you're going to not be able to taste it. So it's like bang on. These are all day vapes for me personally. And yeah, this one I'm getting the vanilla-y custard note through, and they say it's a savoury mix. I wouldn't quite say savoury, I'd say it is on the sweet-ish side, not as sweet as some other custards which I have tried, which are like, you know, really sweet and rich. This is like a more of a, yeah, like they explained, vanilla and creme brulee, so a bit of that sugary topping on top. And then the kiwi comes at the end, definitely. So you get this sweetness and vanilla coming in on the inhale. Then at the end of the exhale, or you know, halfway through the exhale actually, you get that kiwi. And you're thinking right now, okay, I've had, you know, banana and custard before, that makes sense. But banana and kiwi, I mean custard and kiwi, sounds weird, tastes absolutely phenomenal. It's almost morphing into like a strawberry kind of flavour from the kiwi, but it is definitely detectable as kiwi, and that mix is actually really, really good. And yeah, so I'd say the throat hit on this one is a lighter one, as I didn't tell you guys, these are in 6mg strength, and yeah, you can rock these on a dripper and, you know, chuck the vapor. I think it's 60-40 mix or 70-30. That is VG-PG, but don't quote me on that one, guys, because I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, great flavour from this one. I've really been enjoying it. Alright, so that's Starship 1. Now let's just do this all in one take, guys. Let's do this all in one take, why not? I'm not even going to cut it here, as my laptop starts to make noises. So this one I have rigged in this dripper needs to be dripped. So this one is Andromeda, which is their original flavour, you know, their OG flavour. And I'm going to have a hard time getting any out of this because I am very low, as I've been really enjoying this one, guys. And if you know me at all, I am a fruity preference flavour type vapor, if I can get any out. And so this one is right up my street because it is a blueberry and pomegranate mix. So I've got the Mutation X here, which is another 0.4 ohm build running at 39 watts like the last one, so 4 volts, and the airflow is about there because I mean I can't take the full airflow on this Mutation X, guys. Really airy draw, but that's for another video. So this is their original flavour, blueberry and pomegranate, 6 mg. Let's give this one a go. As you can see, the Mutation X just absolutely chucks the vapour. Absolutely chucks, but the flavour on this one, I'm getting like a you get a kind of artificially sort of tasting blueberry. I mean, with a blueberry I find it's hard to get a realistic one because blueberries tend to be sour in real life, and with a lot of these blueberry vapes they sweeten it up a bit and sort of round out the blueberry, and then you get a tang of pomegranate too. Now the two flavours blend well together, there's none sort of overtaking the other, maybe more blueberry, but the pomegranate just rounds out the blueberry completely and gives a nice finish on the end, a nice sort of fresh feeling from the pomegranate. Yeah, guys, I mean, as you can see probably, I've been enjoying this e-liquid a lot because it's very low and I need some more. But yeah, this one is great flavour from this, guys, same blend as the other one, and of VG and PG, and yeah, this flavour is right up my street, a nice fruity blend, and it's been working out really great for me, guys, for an all day, for a whenever you like. This is just great e-liquid from the folks at Space Jam. So that's the liquid out the way. I have got a Ruby Roo style vape pairing to do, actually. So I'm going to grab the Tobe here. Yeah, this Starship one was in the Tobe that I just dropped, and the Andromeda was in the Mutation X. So this is the vanilla-y custody kiwi type thing, and I'm going to be pairing it today with an IPA. So this is called, whatever you pronounce that, Jaipur or Jaipur, however you even say that, 5.9% IPA from Thornbridge Brewing, which I know nothing about at all. I just picked this up from my local store, Waitrose. For you guys in the UK, you might know that. And you can see here, a very light coloured, obviously Indian Pale Ale is what IPA stands for. So we're just going to give this a taste here. Here you get that really sharp pine tree type flavour. Loads and loads of hops in this one, guys. A really hoppy taste. And I mean, for me, it's just full-bodied but really refreshing at the same time. So I'm going to pair that sort of sharp pine type of flavour, and I'm hoping it's going to cut through the custard note and bring out that fruity kiwi. See how it goes after I burp for a bit. Yep, it's done exactly as I predicted. The almost soury type pine needle kind of flavour, the hoppiness really cuts through the vanilla note. It brings down the sweetness and ramps up the kiwi a lot. And I didn't think this pairing would work at all. I thought it would be more suited to a fruity sort of bright vape, but no, it actually cuts through this, you know, rich dessert really well. And that's interesting, actually. On the other way round, the e-liquid cuts through the sharpness of the IPA the other way round, and it brings out the more earthier notes. Yeah, I mean, these guys just really go really well together. Starship 1 and an IPA, I recommend it. And yeah, I mean, I'm not sure what else I can tell you about these guys. Head over to spiritusvapes.com if you want to pick them out. £8 for a 15ml bottle. And thank you so much to my buddy Ben. I can't thank him enough. He hooked me up with this e-liquid when I was in my time of need. You know, I really needed some juice, and he just hooked me straight up and gave me 30ml Space Jam, two incredible flavours that I'm really enjoying. And thank you as well, guys, for watching. Thank you so much for watching. The IPA and the Starship 1 are out.